Welcome to Holly's Quiet Harbor. Take a deep breath and let your mind begin to rest. Welcome. If you found your way here today, perhaps you've been carrying around a voice that has become far too familiar. The one that notices every mistake, every wrinkle, every way you think you've fallen short. Perhaps it greets you every time you pass a mirror, not with kindness, but with criticism. Today, we're going to let that voice rest. Not by arguing with it, not by pretending everything is perfect, but by offering ourselves something we've always deserved: grace. So settle into a comfortable position. Allow your shoulders to soften. Unclench your jaw. Let your hands rest gently where they naturally fall. And if it feels comfortable, close your eyes. Take one slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Again, breathing in and releasing. One more time. Drawing in calm and letting go of whatever you've been carrying today. Now imagine that you're standing before a mirror. It's familiar. Perhaps it's the one in your bedroom or your bathroom, or the one you pass by every morning without thinking. You look toward it. But before you even see yourself, notice what usually happens. How quickly your mind begins searching. Too tired, too old, too heavy, too thin, not enough, should have, could have. The list appears almost automatically. Many of us have practiced this habit for years. So many years that we mistake it for truth. But it's only habit, and habits can change. Imagine now that the surface of the mirror begins to soften. It no longer reflects judgment. It simply reflects light. Gentle, warm, welcoming light. As you look again, see yourself not through the eyes of comparison, but through the eyes of quiet curiosity. There's no need to evaluate, nothing to score, nothing to fix, only a human being, a soul who has lived, a face that has smiled, cried, worried, laughed until tears came. Every line tells a story. Every softness speaks of survival. Every change reminds us that we've been given the privilege of growing older. Our world makes it easy to forget this. Every day we're shown perfected images, carefully edited photographs, filtered faces, impossible standards. The more we compare, the smaller our own kindness becomes. But none of those images know your story. They don't know the people you've comforted, the sacrifices you've made, the courage it took simply to keep going. None of that can be measured in a reflection. Now imagine that someone you deeply love is standing where you are. A dear friend, a daughter, a son, a sister, someone precious to you. They begin saying all the things you so often say to yourself. I'm not enough. I failed. I don't like what I see. Would you agree with them? Or would you gently take their hand, look into their eyes, and remind them how much goodness you see? Notice how naturally compassion rises for someone else. Now, very gently, offer that same compassion inward, not because you've earned it or because you've become perfect, simply because you're human. As you breathe, repeat quietly in your mind, I release harsh judgment. I choose gentle truth. I don't have to earn my worth. I am more than my reflection. I am more than my mistakes. I am becoming kinder to myself. I am worthy of grace. Notice your breathing. Steady, faithful. Your breath has never demanded perfection before returning. It simply comes again and again. Perhaps grace is like that, always available, always returning, waiting patiently for us to receive it. Now imagine the mirror one last time. This time, instead of seeing only your face, you see everything that has shaped you. Acts of kindness, moments of courage, times you began again, the people you've loved, the burdens you've carried, the laughter you've shared, the hope you refuse to abandon. You are so much more than the surface, and perhaps today, for even just a moment, you can believe that. Before we finish, place a hand gently over your heart if that feels comfortable. Feel its quiet rhythm. This heart has carried you through every chapter of your life. It deserves tenderness. It deserves rest. And so do you. Take one slow breath in and let it go. Another. And release. One final deep breath. As you exhale, imagine your inner critic becoming quieter. Not gone forever, but no longer in charge. In its place, let grace speak. Softly, patiently, like an old friend. Carry that voice with you today. The next time you catch your reflection, pause before criticism arrives. Smile, even if only a little. And remember, the person looking back at you has been worthy of compassion all along. Thank you for sharing this quiet moment. May you move through today with gentleness, and may grace always be the loudest voice you hear.